Yeah, so I'm making the bollards for the ship. I'm cutting them out of this ply with a Dremel. So I just zip along, you know, with my calipers, make a mark. 5 or 6, I think it was 5. And then I run it along there and make a pencil mark, cut it out. And I get these little chips. Then I round the edges and I get this little piece here, right? Now, as you can see, I'm making bollards that look like this. They look quite cool, actually. Now what I'm actually taking is the rivets. Remember I made the portholes with the rivets? Now I'm taking the rivets, and basically all I'm doing is, they get really hot when you do this, but all I'm doing is just taking the Dremel and cutting them off. So you take the pliers, put it on the edge of the wood and just whip it off. I think I was catching the other, make sure it's not too hot. I was catching the other end because it was flying away on me. There we go. Into the wood a bit. The whole idea of having the wood here is you can cut into the wood. So there's my little bollard. And what I'm doing is taking this little bollard then, see, I got 2 here. And I drilled 2 holes in my little piece of wood, and I'm putting them in that, just like that, right? And then a tap with the drill. They're hard to get in. Big finger, that's what I got. Come on, don't know what I need to show this. Doesn't want to go in. See if we can get this one in. They're a little stubborn. Oh, when the video's on, it never works. Isn't it amazing? There she goes. And you hammer them down to the level and you got your little bollards for the ship there, see? Now this ply piece isn't going great. There's little chips now and then, so it's not the greatest wood, but I tried some other woods and it didn't work either, so I think I'll paint these either black, a little dull silver. But as you can see, they look quite good there. On the side of the boat, they look lovely. Yeah, so I filled in, you can see here the black here. I filled in these connectors in the railing to make them even look better. I want the railing to be all one, so and I did it out of wood, but it's most likely going to be painted with an oil, an artistic oil paint, like a dark brown. So what I'm trying to do, make the railing look like it's just totally all one piece. And basically the way I'm doing that is using these needle files, and then when I'm really happy with it, I'll go over with a very fine sandpaper, and that should do it. Now this is a half round here, and I'm just trying to get this curve inside here a bit better. There's a little bit of filler in the way. To be patient with this, it's kind of, you know, cup of tea, file of it. Now you get the finish of your boat. There you go, a couple of shots of it. Yeah, so I've taken one of the sticks downstairs. Underneath this I put orange and then brown on top. This is pure brown here, and this is with black. And I'm trying to decide which color will suit the railing to make it look teak. I'm going to let it dry a little bit and then, you know, take my time and think about that. Just leave it dry here. And we'll see, but I want it to be kind of a dark, brown teak look. So.